What else is possible once we get out of that comfort zone? Well, I have a very, very special guest all the way out there from Dallas, Texas, and she's here to give some information. She's here to enrich your life. She's here to help you to understand about the millionaire mindset and how can you create generational wealth. I know you're asking me, Andrew, who are you talking about? She's known as Dr. O. Dr. Omai KOFI. And I'm saying, oh my, Dr. O is in the house. Who is Dr. O? I'm going to give you a little bit of information. As you know, we always drip the bio. We don't give you all of it up front. But I just want to give you a little bit just to pique your curiosity so you can know exactly who we're talking with here. Dr. O is an investor, wealth manager, mastermind strategist, and founder and president of the Board of Literacy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to please help me welcome to the stage for the first time, Dr. O. Dr. O, welcome to the ILIRPODCAST. Say what's up to the people.
I'm going to need to take you with me everywhere I go so you can introduce me from now on. Thank you. Thank you.
You're very, very welcome. I mean, listen.
The ILIRPODCAST, don't get it twisted. And Andrew, oh my goodness, the energy that Andrew provides is mandatory. I see his anointing like, wow, and I love it. Thank you, Andrew, for this opportunity.
Thank you so much for being here.
Yes.
I mean, I'm listening. I'm ready to do.
We don't want to leave, right? We just want to stay.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm excited. Thank you so much for being here. Ladies and gentlemen, that's our time.